have heard that you are feeling nervous about visiting a hospital? Don't worry, I've got you. In today's lesson, I'll teach you 10 most common used phrases in the hospital, whether you are a patient, visitor, or helping someone else. These are the phrases that will help you ask for the help, asking about your symptoms, and will help you understand what doctor and nurses are saying to you. So are you ready? Let's begin. I need to see a doctor. This is our phrase number 1 of today's lesson. This is that one phrase that you can use while you walk into the hospital, clinic, or any emergency room. This will tell the receptionist or nurse that you need an immediate medical attention. For example, excuse me, can I see the doctor? I have a severe pain in my stomach since last night. That means you need immediate medical attention. Let's move on to our next phrase. It hurts here. This phrase is used to show where exactly your pain is. You have to be more specific about that part where pain is happening. For example, if I have a pain in my hand, so what will I tell the doctor? That it hurts here. It will become more specific. So our next phrase is, I have fever and sore throat. Telling the doctor what is wrong with you and talking about your symptom clearly will help doctor understand what is wrong. You can replace fever and sore throat with any symptoms that you are having. That can either be nausea, vomiting, dizziness, or fever. For example, I have a fever, a sore throat, and my body feels weak from last night. I don't know what's wrong with me. How long will I have to wait? This phrase helps you politely ask that how long you have to wait before getting a help or a doctor. Let's have an example. Excuse me, how long I have to wait before I get any help? That will show how much wait is there left. I'm allergic to penicillin. This is our next phrase. Make sure you make a clear statement about all of your allergies. It can be a medicinal allergy or a food allergy. Make a clear statement to your doctor so that they know that you have an allergy about that certain specific element. For example, doctor, please note, I'm allergic to penicillin. It caused me skin rash and breathing problems. Can I get an interpreter, please? So, many hospitals provide the interpreter services. Interpreter is basically a translator that can translate English into your specific language. If you're not confident in English and you are not understanding what doctor is saying to you, so what do you say? You ask for an interpreter. For example, can I get an interpreter who speaks Arabic, please? So our next phrase is, do I need to take this tablet with food? When you are given medicine, it is very important to ask when to use and how to use. Some medicine may interact with food when eaten with food, while some medicine you have to eat empty stomach. For example, you are given a medicine and you are asking doctor when to take it. So what will you ask? You'll ask, doctor, can I take it with my breakfast or after eating my breakfast? So our next phrase is, can someone contact my family? So, if you are alone in hospital or you are feeling very sick, so what do you need? You need to contact your family. So, you ask someone to contact your family. For example, Sarah came hospital alone and she is very sick. So, what will she ask? Can you please call my sister? Her number is saved on my phone. Next phrase is, what are the test results? Tests in hospital are very common. It can either be X-ray, CT scan, or any blood test. So when you give your blood for the test and you ask for a result, you ask, what do the results say? Let's have an example. Doctor, what did my results say? Are they ready? So our last useful phrase for hospital is, can I go home now? So your long hospital stay is about to end. If your condition is improved and you are feeling good in yourself, so what do you ask your doctor? Can I go home now? So, let's use it in an example. Sarah was sick and her condition is improved. She wants to go back to her home. So, what will she ask to her doctor? Doctor, I'm feeling very much better. Can I go home tonight or do I have to stay longer? These were all the 10 useful hospital phrases that you need to know, whether you are visiting, you are the patient, or you are helping someone. Let me know which one phrases was the best phrases of all of them and which one is already you're using. Until then, bye.